This is our compatible cartridge PGI-1500 with pigment ink used on Canon MAXIFY series printer. Now we will demonstrate the ink cartridge replacement process. First we press the On button with MAXIFY appeared on the screen. Then we pull out the paper tray on the printer. We remove the original black cartridge, according to the blue component position cartridges. For MAXIFY series printers, it's a little bit harder to take out the cartridge, because the cartridge box is inside the printer. Then we can put the ink cartridge directly into the print in right place. After installation, the cartridge case will move slightly. Then the blue component will move to another place. We have to take out the specific cartridge, according to its position. The replacement process or rest colors is the same. Then the whole replacement process is finished. We can close the printer cover to print paper.